we are still in Las Vegas and we're getting ready to head out onto the strip to see some fire show and water show. So tonight we've chosen to go to the Mirage. The Mirage has a built-in volcano at the entrance of the hotel that performs or has a fire show every hour on the hour from 8 until midnight. So roughly it's almost 10 p.m. So we're gonna head out to the strip so we can view that wonderful fire show, Volcano show, which we're obviously gonna record for you guys so you can see what it's all about. But not only that, we're also gonna head down further south on the strip to the Bellagio Hotel, which also has a water display. Now their display is every 15 minutes and it lasts about 4 minutes. And in doing some research, I found it very interesting that it's estimated that each show or each night we put on the show roughly costs about $10,000 for the show. So it's pretty interesting, should be wonderful. We're gonna head out there right now. The water show is every 15 minutes, so I'm not sure if we're gonna start at the bottom and make our way to the top. More than likely, we're gonna go to the Mirage first. Depends on what time we get there because that's every hour on the hour. But we are super excited. We forego dinner tonight. You know, we kind of slept in, but we're gonna go head out to the strip and see what Las Vegas has to offer. So we're gonna be tuning back in just a few minutes. So stay tuned for our next video. Peace, peace. I'm doing it. Very close to top video. I'm not sure if we told you guys, so we actually decided to stay at the Palms Hotel for this stay. The Palms Casino section, the property is closed down, but the Palms Tower is still open. Still an awesome place to stay. I do love it. So now we're actually walking out to the car. A lot of the entrance is still blocked off, so not much coming in there. So it's all, you know, walking out to your car. This is the outside of our hotel. You can see the other Palm Resort buildings over there. First spots right there. Yeah. So trust me, coming to Vegas, I think it's best for you to get out here, see what's going on. We decided to wait until we get out here to get our rental. If you can, book ahead and then cancel if you don't need it. We actually got a rental on a weekend where it was pretty much booked out, so we had to wait a little bit to get it. But yeah, such is life. We got one. It's an awesome investment if you're coming out to Vegas, especially if you want to go see some of the national parks. It's pretty good. So here we are, going into the car. Oh, FYI, what we learned while we were out here is that Nevada, and you may already know, Nevada has legalized recreational marijuana use. I'm very surprised when we got to the airport, we smelled weed right away. But then,
I already know that.
Well, my baby knew that. I didn't know that. But it's something it'll make you surprised when you're walking on the strip and you smell marijuana. And also, they have no issues with you walking and drinking. In Miami, you can't walk with open alcohol bottles even on South Beach, so that's definitely something for me. Alright, so guys, we're heading out and tune back in just a few. This is ready, guys. Here we are on our way to the strip. So we are getting ready to turn onto Las Vegas Boulevard, and on this side you can start seeing the Cosmopolitan Hotel, and I believe this is the Bellagio right here, and Caesar's Palace across the way. So we're basically, the Bellagio is further south on the strip. We're gonna park a little bit further north, and try to get to the Mirage first. It's 10:11. 11. By the time we park, get out on the strip, get settled, we should be able to catch the 11 o'clock fireworks show. And then we'll take a stroll down to the south of the strip to watch the water show, which is every 15 minutes. So here we are. Wanted to give you guys a little preview of what the strip looks like. So we're getting ready to turn onto the strip. So let's see over here. Over here we have a Paris hotel. I've actually thought about going there for dinner or something, but we didn't have a chance yet. But it's a replica of the Eiffel Tower, and it's the Eiffel Tower restaurant, and right behind it is a Hilton Vacation, where we actually considered staying on our trip here, but decided for the Palms instead. And of course there's Bali. Here we are. And as you go further north, you'll be able to see some other hotels. In the corner of the video, you'll see flamingos. So fun fact is, while we were on the high roller, which is what do you call the name again? The high roller is the Ferris wheel. Yeah. We learned a fun fact that the Flamingo is one of the original hotels here on the strip. Basically was built by a gangster for his girlfriend, but he never really fully got to see it to its fulfillment. So it's a very still active, very beautiful hotel that's still here on the strip. So that's a Flamingo right there. Drinking, take your mask off, but you don't make it a habit. We see people from all over the country, all walks of life. You don't know who's who, what's what. But we'll get back to that. Here we are, we're getting onto the strip, passing the Flamingo Hotel, which actually opens up into the Link shopping center, which is pretty awesome. Margaritaville, oh yeah. So we had lunch there today, and we got a drink called It's 5 o'clock somewhere. When I say it's definitely 5 o'clock somewhere, it is. That drink was on point. Oh, you only need one. You only need one. That drink was very good, very tasty, but it definitely turned up the fire. Very strong, yeah. Yeah, we can. Oh, maybe we can try to explore some of the parking options. Let's go down further on the strip and see what parking options we have. Because I don't want to walk through. We're gonna walk through the casino, and we've always walked through the casino and ended up on. Maybe we can find out how we get to the front from. I'm sure we can.
Why you don't like walking through the casino?
I don't mind. We've always ended up on the Link, but I'm sure we can find an entrance to the strip off of Harris Casino.
So what you want?
You know, let's park there. We can park at Harris. We've been parking at Harris, guys. Free parking again. There are lots of places here that offer free parking. So if that's a concern about renting a vehicle, which for us it was initially, we have yet to pay for parking. So definitely get a rental car. So here's Harris. Harris is a hotel. This is where we're gonna get our parking spot. Beautiful, beautiful area. There's an oyster bar and grill. I wonder if they're still open. This is what I go through, guys. The ruggedness of this driver here is gonna have me end up getting whiplash. I believe so, yeah. This little roller coaster ride. Oh gosh. Pay for whiplashes. You're right. Yeah, and lost. And stop.
That wasn't on purpose.
And lost to pay for whiplash. She's about to let me throw out my back, my neck, the whole works. Here we got some vacationers strolling around. Guys, you know, one of the things that I've learned about the Las Vegas Strip and I appreciate is that you see people from all over the country, all walks of life, all different types of people who make a right. Yeah, that tag in front of us is from Utah. But we see so much different kind of people, so much people expressing themselves. It's just it's just a huge mixing bowl of people here. They've always said South Florida is a huge mixing bowl. Yeah, people live there, and you know, we're all different cultures and stuff. But here, it's more like people come to visit, and it's just a huge mixture of people. So we're going into the parking garage, and here we go. We've been parking here for the last 3 days. So this is what we're actually looking like today. This is my food. And here I am. We're out here. People are waiting for something. They're probably waiting for something.
Valley.
Possibly. I'm not sure. Self-parking. I'm not sure who they're waiting on. Maybe they're waiting for a bus or something. Party bus, but in Harrow's. Yeah. So here's the high roller, the Ferris wheel we talked about. Takes about approximately 25 or 30 minutes for a full rotation. It doesn't stop. Going on is really slow. You just have to step onto it. And it's pretty awesome, pretty informative about Las Vegas. And you know, it's over 500 feet high when you get to the top. It's pretty cool. I really enjoyed that. It was, you didn't even feel like you were moving. It was pretty awesome. So, left, baby. Yeah, let's go left.
How far is Utah from here?
I think Utah is like maybe a state or two over. I'm not honestly quite sure. But yeah, I think Utah. I think if I'm not mistaken, our Uber driver before we got the rental mentioned that Utah was about 2.5 hours. He mentioned Arizona for the Grand Canyon, and then he mentioned another attraction, and I'm almost sure he said it was in Utah that was 2.5 hours away. So it could be 2.5 hours to the north.
You know what I'm trying to understand too?
Yes.
Why does this car have a Hawaii tag?
Yeah, that was definitely in conversation earlier in the week. Our rental car has a Hawaii tag, and we don't know why. There's been speculation the last renter drove from Hawaii over here, but I'm not sure what happened with that. So maybe it was shipped. I don't know what's going on with that, but it's pretty interesting that our rental has a Hawaii tag. So guys, we are just trying to find parking, so we'll tune back in. With you later. Alrighty.
Love it.